Hey everybody, we are into week 6 now of our online learning. The 2 tasks for this week are a career presentation and then participating in a career discussion. So you guys have mastered the skills that you need to know, and now we're just applying them to different concepts. So for our career presentation, every slide must have a picture, transition, and you must use the same theme throughout the entire presentation. Now you have learned a lot more things in this: animations, changing fonts, changing slide layouts, etc. So feel free to apply those because that does make your presentation look a lot nicer. But the main thing is that you're including these things. So this you could use, I would fill this out. It's kind of an outline. Get the things in here about the career of your choice. You're going to have to use some Google searches to fill these things out. And then put them into your slides. Now just be sure that you attach the slides when you turn them in. You don't have to fill out this outline. I just would, because I really think filling this out will make it easier when you're putting it into the slide. But again, you don't have to, just totally optional. I provided this outline for you. Totally optional, but might make it a little bit easier when you get into your slides. And then the last thing, you're going to share with the class what the career you chose was and why. Just might kind of be interesting to see what some of your other classmates chose. And that is our week. So just one more week after this, and then we are on summer break. Again, huge thanks to all the people that have been doing this work, and I do think that you're learning some things that will be valuable in other classes and benefit you along the way. So great work out of you, and have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.